Hi, I'm Tim from RedBack Lasers, and we're just going to run over a dual receiver system that we've customised for a customer in Western Australia who's made their own land plane that they're towing behind their tractor. So, as I said, it's a dual system, so we've got the tandem receivers there, both with the cable, and we've got 8 metres of cable plus flex within that, so it'll take us out to 12 metres. We've got our wiring harness that comes from our solenoid bank back to a breakout box point. So here where our tow hitch is on our tractor, we can disconnect our communications cable and our 2 receivers, disconnect the land plane, and away we go. This is going to get fixed somewhere above the tow hitch or where your hydraulics connect in. So obviously your hydraulics are going to feed through to your valve bank here for your pressure and your tank returns, and that'll be on your quick release. This is, as I said, mounted on the tractor. It's running a cable through to the control box. The control box, we've got our 2 receiver cables, our communication cable, and then our cable through to our power supply. Operating the receiver, we can turn the receiver on, put it into auto or take it out of auto, and manually control each of those hydraulics connected to this system. Anyway, if you're wanting to discuss the possible automation of a blade that you've got or you might have made, give us a call at RedBack Lasers on 1800 769 858 and we'll give you a hand.